Hello, you're welcome. Nga bulijjo nkwaniriza nate weebale kusalawo n'ogoberera channel yaffe ya okuyiga oluzungu n'oluganda. Thank you for following our channel that involves learning English and Luganda. Yes, if you have any confusion, please go back and watch other videos. We have a lot of videos here and we have playlists on the channel. Tuwobanga ofunamu obuzibuzibu tobigoberera bulungi dayo olabe video endala ezo naze tulina ku eno channel tebwali buzibu kuziddamu n'oziddiŋŋana okuziraba era ne playlist weziri zosobola okulaba. Today we're going to talk about negative sentences. Tugenda kwogera ku enjogera ewakanya oba etali nga egena mu maaso. Tugenda okwogerako olunaku olwaleero using prefix, the negative prefixes, nga tukozesa ebigambo ebiraga ebiteebwa ku kigambo emabega waakyo okulaga nti ekikolwa si kirungi oba ekikola okugaana ekikolwa. Tekigambo ekituufu ekyo okugaana ekikolwa ogenda mu maaso kibayita negative. We are using prefix si ne ta, meaning one person here, or yes, one person, and then the te meaning other people. That's what we're going to focus on today. Tugenda kutunuulira ennyingo gy'osobola okuteeka emabega w'ekigambo eno eya si ne ta ne te. Tulabe engeri gye tugenda okukolamu ekigambo olunaku olwaleero. These are just simple sentences to help you with your simple Luganda for the start. Okay? So we are going to talk about this action which says I'm not going to town. I'm not going to town. We are going to use this prefix here. For one person means si. Si genda mu kibuga. Okay? Genda means go. So we are adding si. I'm not. Sigenda mu kibuga. I'm not going to town. Okay? Mu kibuga means in town. Okay, we go to the second sentence. Says, I don't work today. I don't work today. This is a continuous tense, continuous sentence. In Luganda, we're still using si. Sikola leero. Sikola leero means I don't work today. Even tomorrow, I think it means it's talking about a certain day, maybe Sunday. Like I don't work today, Sunday. Like for me, Sunday, have to be at church. Okay? The third sentence, he doesn't watch a movie. He doesn't watch a movie. He doesn't watch a movie. This is still small people. Just one person here. It says in Luganda, talaba firimu. Talaba firimu. Talaba firimu. A film is a movie in Luganda. Talaba firimu. So that portion is done of si and ta. So we're going to another portion which uses te. Te here. For many people. Okay? So our four will be they don't play football or soccer. Here, what they are meaning mupira is soccer in American way. British way is football. Okay, so they don't play football. So the verb for they don't is te. This one here, te. Tebasamba mupira. Tebasamba mupira. And as you know, samba means play. Mupira, play soccer. So tebasamba means they don't play soccer. Tebasamba mpira. 5, we have you guys don't sell fruits. You guys don't sell fruits. In Luganda it says te mutunda ebibala. Te mutunda ebibala. Or you can remove the E, and usually we remove the E and we say temutunda bibala. Temutunda bibala. You guys don't sell fruits. It's a negative. It's a what? A negative prefix here. Te. And then 6, we have we don't study Luganda. We don't study Luganda. It goes tetusoma Oluganda. Tetusoma Oluganda. You could still remove the O and say Luganda. Tetusoma Luganda. Okay? Those are just a simple example of negative sentences you could use in your conversation with people using prefix si, ta, and te in Luganda. Era wobanga osoma oluzungu naawe osobola okukozesa bino ebigambo n'omanya nti tetusoma Luganda, kitegeeza we don't study Luganda. Temutunda bibala means you don't sell fruits. N'omanya nti tebasamba mpiira, kitegeeza they don't play soccer. Oba n'omanya nti talaba firimu, kitegeeza he doesn't watch a movie. Oba ekirala n'omanya nti sikola leero, mu luzungu kitegeeza I don't work today. Oba n'omanya nti mu Luganda wembanga kiri nti si genda mu kibuga, mu luzungu kitegeeza I'm not going to town. Ndowooza okitegedde oluzungu ofunyeemu n'ow'Oluganda ofunyeemu. I think you understand it. If you're learning Luganda, you've benefited, and if you're learning English, you've benefited. Thank you so much for watching. I ask you to consider subscribing, to share the link with others as usual, like I ask you, and to follow the description. There is amazing stuff there to follow the Flexyhope page on Instagram, on Facebook, Flexyhope Africa, and just give and just support Flexyhope Ministries. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'm proud of you. If you want to learn more Luganda and English, just read the number that's moving on the screen or in the description, and then we will learn together on our WhatsApp group. Also, if you want to be added on our WhatsApp group, have 2 WhatsApp groups, Luganda group and English group. So just contact me, and then we'll continue to move together in this new era of having an extra language. Thank you so much.